TechArt's been doing stuff for Porsche for over 30 years, and so I want to bring some of that European flair here to the States because I think it accents the body lines of the car beautifully. All right, so my name is Tyler Purdue. We're here at Cars and Coffee, and what you're looking at is the Porsche 911 Carrera GTS 992.2 with the first full carbon TechArt kit in the United States. Paint to sample Gulf Blue. So I work with a builder out of Atlanta, Georgia. He's actually a TechArt dealer. And so we work specifically with him and TechArt over in Germany so that we could get the kit made. This is kind of like the guinea pig car, where they were looking to us to make sure that the fitment was good and everything. So we worked for 4 months to get this kit just right with everything that you're seeing here, wheels, suspension, exhaust. But yeah, you're seeing the finished product literally a few weeks after I got it. TechArt's been doing stuff for Porsche for over 30 years, but a lot of it stays over in Europe, and you really don't see a lot of it here in the States. But all their parts are specific. They fit right to the factory bolt holes on the car, and so you know you're going to get just clean lines. They don't deal with any other manufacturers, Porsche only, and they've been doing it for so long. So I want to bring some of that European flair here to the States because I think it accents the body lines of the car beautifully. So the wheels are made by a company called Velos Design Works out of Miami, but the owner is very Porsche oriented, so to get the fitment and the offset just right, they do an incredible job, and they offer monoblocks, 3-piece, 2-piece, so no matter what style of wheel you're looking for, they can take care of you if you're a 911 owner. It's an absolute blast. This one is just the rear-wheel drive model, but at the same time, 500 horsepower. There's no turbo lag in these new GTSs, so it's literally fun from the time you hit the pedal, no matter what your RPM is. This car is currently for sale through Carbon Speed Motors. That's my dealership. So if you have any interest or want to give me a call, have any questions, carbonspeedmotors.com.